How to recover deleted Canva designs. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can recover your deleted Canva designs. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Here in this page, you will see three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on them and a window will pop up. At the bottom, you will find Trash option. Right below, Create a Theme option. Click on it to view all the designs you have moved to trash previously. In the trash section, you will only see the designs that you have moved to the trash, not those that you have permanently deleted. Now to recover a deleted design, click on the vertical three dots next to the name of the design. A menu will appear with options. Click on Restore option. Wait for a moment and your design will be successfully restored. You'll find it in your project section. So this is how you can recover deleted Canva designs. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.